Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I hope you have an amazing Friday. Okay, today's video, oh my god, we are doing unboxing of a Jeffree Star Skin. We're gonna open this up and see what I ordered, how I like them, and the whole thing. Oh, if you want to see this, you want to get a real good review about this, stay tuned, watch this video, and don't go away. If this is the first time you discover my channel, yay! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Steve Jan. My YouTube channel is focused on beauty and skincare and some traveling and luxury stuff, but mostly beauty and skincare. A little bit background about me, I have been working in cosmetic industry in the US for the last 26 years. Yes, I will be 49 years old. And my resume work as a beauty consultant, business manager, regional trainer, and last 17 years I was working with one skincare company called SK2. It is a luxury Japanese skincare, and the last 10 years I was the country trainer for the brand. I left SK2 2 years ago. Yes, I walk away the job that everybody want, right? To launch my own skincare company called Yibu Beauty, so definitely check it out. The reason why I'm telling you all this is because I want to let you know that I have a lot of experience and backgrounds in beauty. I actually working in the store with thousands of clients, hosting large events, go on QVC. So I have a lot of knowledge in skin, so you can count on me. If you like what you hear so far, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video over here. And you can also check out my Instagram, Mr. Jen All-in-One. Okay, let's open this up right now. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this is the box. I take a sneak peek already. Ta-da! I have a lot of respect for him because as a business owner, and his product is actually really good quality. The packaging sometimes are even better than most prestige brands out there. And so there's something that Yibu Beauty, that's my company, we use as a benchmark because I want to be like that one day. And I know that a lot of people don't like him for whatever reason, but I don't look at that part. I only focus on the product parts. So the box is all pink, says Jeffree Star with his logo right there. The tissue paper has a logo on there. And when you open this up, it has a little cards right here with his promo card and the product image right there. He launched the 7 skincare product first, and I didn't order everything because I don't need everything. So I ordered the everyday bundle, that's $71, and also I ordered the cleansing balm. I think that's very iconic. So let me just show you. So the everyday bundle comes with 3 products. Comes with the strawberry water facial toner and strawberry water clarifying cleansing gel, plus Magic Star hydrating moisturizer. So this 3 products is $71. His bundle is really good because you get some kind of discount in there. And there's one product I'm dying to try. It is the Make Me Melt cleansing balm. So I ordered this full product here. So let's open this up. I have a little makeup on right now, so we're going to try to remove my makeup with this and to see how this really works. I did a whole review on Jeffree Star Skin based on the website and his review. I will put that link down there. It's a very in-depth review. We're talking about the ounces, the ingredients, and review his video. And today's video is going to be more like first impressions, you know. First impression, the box is very, very nice. It has all the appropriate information on the box. I give you the ingredient list. It's very small. I can't really see anything. But that's okay, just open this up right now. Make Me Melt Makeup Remover Balm. So when you open it, the product is actually sitting on this cushions. Wow, this costs money. As a business owner, I know everything costs money, even tissue paper costs money. So sitting in this really decent insert basically. So put this right here. This is the iconic cleansing balm. A lot of people say his packaging looks like Kylie. You know what? There's only so many colors you can choose from, right? And he's always being in pink, so who cares? I don't really care. But I do have to say that I think this is the first company I see that they come with a really cool spatula, and it's magnet. See that? Okay, very nice. Okay, well, I guess let's just go ahead and try it now. Cleansing balm is really good to remove makeup, and it needs to use on dry skin. Oh, it's interesting. It kind of dry a little. I don't know, I can't tell. Can you see that? So that's a solid wax in there. I'm gonna hold the star, because if you use this star part, you're gonna get this everywhere. When you use the flat edge, it's probably better. Whoa. Obviously, I got too much here. That's okay. It's a very soft. It doesn't really have too much smell, so I'm gonna put this on my face now. It's a very creamy, like a buttery, creamy. So they put a lot of essential oil in there. Sometimes when you put these cleansing balm, they kind of fall off our skin because they don't use enough oil. So this is nice. Very, it turns into oil immediately. So it has a, what is it? A jojoba seed oil in there. And also has apple and raspberry fruit extract. There's a lot of decent ingredients. So again, right now, I just like how easy that melt into the skin. It can become oil almost immediately. I think it makes sense for him to do this type of consistency. It's because he also has some color, right? So he want to make sure that when you use the makeup balm, that should be able to remove all the makeup. So it's definitely very, very oily. Please know that oil is not going to be clog the pores, because when you rinse off with water, everything just come right off. And it says it's safe to use around the eye too, so that's really good. Not all cleansing balm are safe to use around the eye. Wow, it didn't have any burning feeling. No smell. So I want to show you a little technique what I usually like to do after using cleansing balm. So hold please. After massaging skin, I add a little water on my face, so it will melt into the white colors. I like to do a second massage. So this way, the product can go in deeper to really remove the makeup. I'm gonna use a wet towel right to show you guys. It kind of stings my eye a little bit, so you gotta be careful. Even though they say eye safe, but I think you need to be careful. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get some water, hold please. Okay, I just rinsed off with water. I gotta tell you this, even though they say it's eye safe, everyone's eyes is slightly different. My eyes can be very sensitive. When the cleansing balm oil get into my eye a little bit, it does feel a little bit uncomfortable. So I would just say be careful on this, you know. Yeah, probably I would still recommend use your regular eye makeup remover to remove the eye makeup, because you don't really want this getting into the eye, because it will cause irritations. But again, everyone's a little bit different. You may be fine, maybe you're not, I don't know. So, all right, the next item we want to use, it is the Strawberry Water Clarifying Cleanser. So it's coming in this pink packaging. This is kind of standard though. It does has a Jeffree Star logo down here. Has a sealer, so I'm gonna remove this. Hold please. Okay, you ready? Wow, come on, really pretty peach color. Oh, you know, it has a really nice scent. If you're gonna ask me what does this smell like, it kind of smells like his lip exfoliator, the lip scrub. So, just massage it to the face. Let me get some water, see if this foamed. So I add a little water in there. There's really not foaming agent in there, so it's more like a gel cleanser. The smell is very, very light. Like you see it in the product, but when you put on the face, it fades away. So on my previous video talk about his product, I was very concerned about strawberry scent because I am too old to smell like strawberry on my face. So far this is good. It's the right balance. Okay, so let me go rinse this off. I will be right back. Okay, I just rinsed off with water. If you've been watching my video, I always talk about what's a good cleanser. Good cleanser meaning that after you rinse off with water, your skin doesn't feel tight and squeaky clean. That means the cleanser is too strong for your skin conditions. This one is actually really good. It doesn't even feel tight. It feels very comfortable. I am very impressed with the cleanser though. I'll be honest with you, in the beginning, I wasn't gonna order the cleansing gel. I'm like, why? I don't need that, you know? So this is not bad. I still have that very light hint of scent. Like how would I describe the smell? If you say the smell is scale 1 to 10, right? 10 it means the most potent. This is more like a 2.5. Very, very light. Very light, almost a cotton candy smell. Not bad, not bad at all. I'm very impressed. Okay, now let's try the strawberry water facial toner. And all his stuff is really just for hydration, you know, so. It comes with this plastic packaging, really cute top right there. Interestingly, that the packaging cap is a little bit different. So, I mean, I would love to see this material, I mean, this design on here, that will make it really pretty as an entire collections. You can use your hand or you can use a cotton pad, but right now I'm gonna use my hand. So the water, the treatment water comes out in clear. I think the container is the package is has a pink color in there. It has a little texture to it. It also has a little light scent, but not too much. Very smooth, very silky. Like I said, this toner has a lot of texture to it. So it's not like pure water consistency. It gives it a little bit slippery touch. Not bad at all. Okay, let's move on to the last item, which is I've been wanting to try this. This is the Magic Star Hydrating Moisturizer. This box is pretty big. For the pricing that he's selling, it's pretty nice. Like I said, there's a lot of company costs more, but then the packaging really sucks. So his package is really, really nice. I can't get this out. It has this big cushion right there. You see that? It's like a foam. So the cream is sitting in there. Oh my goodness. Wow, this thing is heavy. You can feel this. It looks like a diamond. Whoa, this is really pretty. It has his logo right there. Jeffree Star Skin. The plait. This is, and he was talking about his video has a lock mechanism in here, so let's hear this. Did you hear that? So that means you lock it. Okay, you know, little thing like this costs money and make it different. So you open it, there's no another lid on top because they were able to lock it and seal, so you don't need that. So now let's get the moisturizer out. It's no smell. Wow, you know what, I'm really happy about the scent because I was really worried about, oh my God, it's gonna smell like a little girl. I don't wanna smell like a little girl, so it's not cool. It comes out like a light hint of a peach color cream. Put this on my face, Very silky texture, not sticky yet. It glides very easy to blend into the skin. Like I said, I'm not gonna focus on the ingredients. I'm just gonna focus on the texture on this product and how the scent, how does it feel on my skin. If you wanna know more about the ingredient and everything else, check my other video. The moisturizer definitely is on the little thicker side. Wow. Let's see how it's a little sticky right now. But it's thick. Let me show you. I'll show you guys so you can see that. I mean, it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice for the price that you're paying. How much is this cream by itself? Hold please. The moisturizer is $28. Very excited about it. Now I'm very tempted to buy more product. So leave the comment below if you want me to buy more from his skincare line, do more review, do a complete review. I need to hear from you guys, so let me know if you want me to do that. Alright, so definitely yes, you should give it a try, it's a good deal. Alright, so we'll see you guys tomorrow, bye!
I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our Balm, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.